So let me do my job. I don't give a fuck about your misdemeanor warrant, you understand? But if you wanna act like a fucking bitch, I'll take you to fucking jail for your stupid ass misdemeanor. Got it? I have better things to do than take people to jail for dumbass misdemeanors. So act like a fucking grown-up and let me do my fucking job.
She called 911. Her car had been stolen. By the time the call ended, she was the one in handcuffs. This is what happens when you invoke your rights and then spend 14 minutes not using them.
You called? Yeah. No. Who? Her? Yeah. Well, I don't care. I'm talking, you're not.
I don't care, and I'm not talking to you.
Well, you're on this property, right? Did he tell you to leave? Did he tell you to leave?
Yeah, no.
All right, come here.
What are you doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
He did not tell me to leave. My car got stolen. Why am I in handcuffs?
You're not in handcuffs. I'm talking to you right now.
No, I don't have to talk to you,
All right,
sir.
well then you're gonna go to jail.
No, I don't.
You want to talk or you want to go to jail?
Listen, I have my right to remain silent.
Perfect. Boom.
No, I'm not going to jail.
Stop.
What are you talking to me about? What are you trying to talk to me about?
Put you in handcuffs.
For what?
Because.
My car was
you're
stolen.
trespassing.
No, I'm not.
There you are.
Listen, I came out here to stop to get something, and I came back out here and my car was stolen.
Okay.
Can you please call my mom? Can you please call my mom?
No, you're a grown woman.
No, bro, I'm not going to jail because I called the police.
Then put your hands behind your back.
My hands are behind my back.
All right, well then put your other one behind your back. It's that simple. Do that, or I slam you on the ground and take your hand. So you pick.
I'm not going to jail for nothing.
I didn't say you were going to jail, but you're definitely.
Okay. So what's the problem? So what's the problem? Like, this is not how this works. I don't have to talk to you. My car was stolen from out of here.
Okay, cool.
That's it.
All right, fine.
And that's all I did. So why the fuck am I in handcuffs? And my car got took. Why the fuck am I in handcuffs and my car is stolen? Go get your hands off of me, bro.
Stop. You're already in handcuffs, all right?
It don't matter.
It's done. It's over.
I'm not going to jail.
Nobody said you're going to jail.
So what the fuck are you doing?
Oh, earlier? Yeah. All right. What did she do inside of here? Like, did she break anything?
No.
She
Can I open the door,
took
baby?
everything from here.
Okay.
And he banged the door.
So she took all this, all this, she threw it on the floor? Yeah. Okay. And then what she did to her? She just punched it, that was it?
Yeah.
My car got stolen and I called the police and now I'm in handcuffs.
No, that's not what happened.
That's exactly what happened. That's exactly what
I
happened.
think somebody tried to jump or steal it, rob or
No, that's not what happened.
Yes, it is. I did not give you permission to talk to me.
Stop.
What are you doing? Bro, why are you going to... I did not give you permission to go in my pocket. What are you doing?
I'm not going. I'm looking for your ID. I don't give a fuck if you got a rock or something.
No.
Stop.
Stop.
What's your name? What's your name?
Stop.
If you don't tell me your name, you're gonna go to jail.
Stop.
What's your name, or else you're going to jail?
I'm about to find my wallet.
It's right up there, but there's no ID in it. That's why I'm looking inside your pocket. So what's your name before you're taken to jail? Chelsea what?
Wilcox.
Chelsea Wilcox. Perfect. Now.
What the fuck is the problem?
Listen, little girl. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible with you.
Why am I going in the back of a police car?
I got shit to do, right?
My car, it got stolen, nigga. Do you not understand that? My shit got stolen from me and I'm going to jail. Bro,
Nobody said you're going to jail.
why are
You're
you...
definitely being detained right now.
Why?
Because you won't answer any questions. It's that simple.
Well, I don't have to. That's the law.
Okay, well,
the law...
then you go to jail then. It's that simple. So sit down.
That's not how that works. I have my right to remain silent.
Perfect.
You
Stop.
can't take me to jail for that.
What's your date of birth?
You cannot take me to jail for that.
Yeah, I can't. It's called obstruction.
No,
Just because you yelled doesn't mean anything.
I did not do nothing but call the police because my fucking car got stolen.
So you want to report your car stolen?
Yes.
What kind of car is it?
It's a Dodge.
What's the tag?
I don't know.
Where did you get stolen from?
Up here in the store just now.
All right, sit down in the back of the car.
What the fuck?
So I can talk to him and then come back and report your car stolen. Sit down. If you don't, I'll take you to jail for obstruction. It's easy.
Bro.
Thank you. Just sit down. Let me do your trespass warning and I'll get you out of here and do your stolen vehicle. How many times did you tell her to leave?
At least 10 times.
At least 10 times?
Yeah.
Well, when you told her to leave, what'd she do? Just throw all the stuff off the
Yeah,
counter?
all the stuff and the cashier, the fighting with the cashier.
Oh, she was fighting with the cashier?
Try to hit, you know.
Oh, she tried to hit the cashier?
Can you please let me out of here so I can...
Before officers arrived, she had been told to leave at least 10 times. She threw items. She tried to hit the cashier. She refused to go. Trespass after warning has one element. You were told to leave and you stayed. The store owner established it before officers said a single word. In most jurisdictions, that is a misdemeanor up to 1 year in county jail. That was the stop. That was the first charge.
Let my family know what's going on.
In 1 minute. As long as you cooperate, I won't take you to jail.
What?
As long as you cooperate, I won't take you to jail.
You can't take me to jail.
I can, actually. It's called obstruction. How about you read a fucking book? Read a fucking book every once in a while. You might learn something.
No, you read a fucking book, nigga.
Like I said, little girl.
Like I said, get me out of here.
No, now you're going to jail.
No, for what? You can't take me to jail for no reason.
Bet.
No, you can't.
Bet.
No, you can't.
Bet.
This is ridiculous. I call y'all because my fucking car is stolen.
You didn't call us.
I'm going to jail.
What phone did you call me with?
The one that's in my fucking pocket.
Chelsea has a warrant.
And that's getting handled.
Yeah, too bad.
No, I'm not going to jail.
I told you I'm a pretty easy to get along with guy. If you stop talking shit and just let me do my job, I don't give a fuck about your misdemeanor warrant. You understand? But if you wanna act like a fucking bitch, I'll take you to fucking jail for your stupid ass misdemeanor. Got it? I have better things to do than to take people to jail for dumbass misdemeanors. So act like a fucking grown up and let me do my fucking job. All right, sit down, Miss Well. You want to stay in there or you want to get out? You're being trespass warned from this property? Perfect. You still got that warrant. You still want to talk shit?
Bro.
I work 11 and a half hours.
Bro.
I work 11 and a half hours.
I gotta go to work, man.
All right, well, come over here and get your
I
shit.
have to go to
Come over here and get your shit. You want your stuff or no? It's on the front of my car.
Why are you dragging me? I can walk. Why are you?
I'm trying to be nice to you.
No, you're not. Jacking me up is not trying to be nice.
This ain't jacking you up. If it's jacking you up, I'd be beating the shit out of you.
Bro, don't just put your hands up. Bro. Ignorant.
I need to take. You want the? I'm trying to take the handcuffs off.
Hey, take them off.
Okay, well then lean forward so I can.
Hey, just relax, man.
I can't reach
Oh,
it.
you a favor to take the. Listen, I wasn't disrespecting my girl no better.
Man, he disrespected me this whole fucking time, man. Fuck these fucking friends. Out of here.
You just gotta be, you know what I'm saying?
Out of here, bro.
And then if he's giving you a chance to go.
Fuck that cracker, man.
Get your stuff.
Can't do
Stuff's
shit.
right here.
Your stuff.
Fuck you.
Your stuff is right
Fuck
there.
you, bitch.
It's like you wanna go in. Just
That
relax.
cracker can't take me to jail for saying what the
Go.
fuck
You have a fucking
You
warrant.
go.
You've been trespassed. Leave.
You go.
Leave. You've been trespassed.
You leave.
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 Leave. Do that again.
Do that again.
Leave.
Do that again.
Leave.
Do that
Leave.
again.
Leave.
I'm getting in my car,
Leave.
bitch.
Leave.
Move.
Leave the property right now.
Move.
Leave the property.
I'm moving.
Leave.
I'm moving.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
No.
5,
No, I don't.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, are you fucking stupid?
Put your hands
Are
out
you?
there. No. Here.
No.
Here.
No.
You got another hand or no?
No.
Here.
No. Because I'm walking off the fucking property.
You didn't leave when I
Fast.
told you to leave.
Bro, get this fucking shit off of me. Are y'all crazy? Bro, I got real life shit that I am going through. Yep. Oh
I don't know why you just don't listen.
What the fuck, bitch? I was listening.
Now get up.
You think you can get the last word? It's freedom of fucking speech. It's freedom of speech.
Come on. Put her by my car.
Freedom of speech. It is freedom of fucking speech, bro.
Stop.
Wow. I can't breathe.
Stand up.
No, I can't.
Stand up. There's her ID. Here. This will wake her up. Yes, she's breathing.
I was telling y'all, she was under that floor, man. She was one.
Yeah, see, you're faking, or else you wouldn't be reacting to that. Come on. That's why I tried to let her leave. She doesn't want to listen.
Leaving. You got mad because you think you're the only one that talk shit and you can't. No.
Devin, if she wants to sit there, just let her sit.
I didn't do shit wrong. I did not do
If she wants to sit,
wrong.
let her sit.
I'm going to sit right here. I'm going to sit right here and wait for the fucking supervisor. Because I didn't do shit wrong.
Bro, for all this?
All this. All this.
Just take it to county.
All this. No.
Nah,
No.
I don't really feel like it.
Take me out of here, bro. Y'all tweaking, man.
Listen. Stand still.
Get me
Hey, is that your key over there?
Get me out of here.
Do you want to go to jail for a misdemeanor or felony?
Bro, I want to get out of here.
Well, that's not going to work because you didn't listen.
Bro, all you had to do was I was walking the fuck away.
Then you put your hands in my face.
No, I wasn't. You put your hands in my fucking face.
All right, so before I look in this, are you going to start acting different? Or is this trash? Is this trash?
That's trash, bro.
All right, we're going to start acting a little different now?
Yes.
You're on probation as well, right?
Can y'all help me up and get me out of here?
Yes.
Here, let's go sit on the curb over here. Here, 1, 2, 3.
91392, let's home.
Yeah, put your shoe on.
91392.
These are your choices now. I'm going to give to you.
9 single 15 Sam's 45th Street till 2200 hours.
You can take a written arrest and you can be released, or I'm going to take you to county for your warrant and whatever that trash is. Which one do you want?
914-75-10-7.
You should look because it was just trash.
Do you want to go for the written arrest or no?
She invoked the right to remain silent, verbally, on camera, then kept talking for 14 minutes. She explained her situation. She gave her name. She argued about obstruction. She produced every piece of evidence against herself voluntarily. Miranda versus Arizona covers compelled interrogation statements extracted without proper rights advisement. It does not cover words you choose to say. Voluntary statements carry no Miranda protection. Everything she said after that invocation was fully admissible. At minute 5, a warrant came back active. Misdemeanor. She had called 911 while carrying it. Officers now had 3 independent bases for detention. They chose to give her the paperwork first. She received 3 exit ramps, a trespass warning, a written arrest option, and a 5-second countdown. She declined all 3. Obstruction of an officer, willfully resisting or opposing an officer in the lawful execution of duty. She satisfied every element. That is count 2. It runs separately from the trespass. 2 misdemeanor counts, and she had arrived as the victim. Chelsea Wilcox was charged with trespass after warning and obstruction of an officer. The warrant was processed separately.
I'm not going to jail.
No, that's
I'm going to go to jail.
Well, you can go to jail. But I'm saying, do you want me to give you a written arrest?
Written arrest, bro.
Okay, so if that happens, what's going to happen after that?
I don't know.
Are you going to leave?
No.
Well, then I got to take you to jail.
Yes, I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. Obviously.
Do you want to sit down?
Where's my phone and shit?
We'll
bro?
get it. Sit down.
Oh my God!
All right, listen, stop. Well, so we're going to take
Why? What now?
trespass after warning. That's it.
Okay.
But stop yelling, okay?
Okay, so let me leave.
I will once I'm done with the paperwork. See, you're still acting like an asshole. I'm still trying to help you out.
Bro, I don't want to talk to you.
All right. Do me a favor. Sit down, please.
I'm
You want to
not
go sit on the
sitting
curb over here? Let's go on the curb.
there. You don't have to grab me. I can go on my own, sir.
Okay, let's go.
You don't have to grab
go-
me.
let's go
I
sit
can
on the
walk
curb.
on myself. I can walk by myself. I can walk by myself.
Sit down.
I don't want to sit down.
Well, I'm not going to sit here and babysit you. Sit down.
I don't want to sit down.
You want to go in the back of the car?
Why am I going in the back of the car? Because I don't want to sit down? Why? Because I don't want to sit down?
You're too many problems.
I'm trying to help you out. You don't want help. Let's go.
No. I'm going to county because I didn't want to sit down. My ass hurts.
Well,
Do y'all not know that? I just got in a fucking fight. Bro, I'm not going to jail because I didn't sit down. No, I didn't.
Yes, you are. Come on.
I want the supervisor. I want the supervisor.
You're gonna get one.
I want a supervisor right now. I want a supervisor right now. I want a supervisor right now. Because why am I going to jail? Because I didn't want to sit down. Y'all, it's a freedom of speech and shit. I can do what the fuck I want to do.
You need a supervisor?
Yes. What the fuck? I can do what I
Hobble.
No, just push it.
Bro, I can do
Kick
what
your
I
legs
want.
in.
No.
Kick your legs
No.
in.
Just going through the list was already reported on the case number 241205. Let's just follow up.
Oh my.
Come on. Get up.
Oh my god.
Come on, get up.
Sorry, check your one where?
Get up.
You fucking hell, man.
Oh, my God.
Hands. Get up. Come on, get up.
Stop. Can you fucking bitch? Stop, bitch.
Stop.
Tracy! Stop! What the fuck? You dumb bitch! Get off of me! Get the fuck off!
The suspect was charged with trespassing. The officers get a B+, under Graham versus Connor. Officer conduct is judged on facts known in the moment, not in hindsight. Every escalation here followed a non-compliance event. The minus is for language that went beyond what procedure requires. It did not change the outcome, but it does not need to be in the footage. Chelsea Wilcox gets a D. She called 911 with an active warrant. She trespassed after 10 warnings. She refused to identify. She invoked Miranda and chose not to use it. The Fifth Amendment right to remain silent is a constitutional guarantee. It was available the entire time. She had it. She declined it on camera. 3 exit ramps. 2 charges. 0 use of the right, she announced. The lesson: silence cannot be used against you. Everything else can. If you invoke your rights, the only move that follows is to stop talking. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. Drop a comment. What would you have done differently? We will see you in the next one.